be swapping out the cats on this C8 Corvette. We got two SRM 300 cell high-flow cats that are gonna completely change the noise of this car. And let me show you how to do that. All right, now that we got the airbox out, we can finally see the cats. Yep. Cats are out. You can see how they look side by side. This is significantly bigger due to the heat shielding, but this has heat shielding as well. It's just actually like pressed up against the body. All right, we got our cats swapped over. We got our O2 sensors installed. And now it's time to get the original cat back reinstalled back in and throw the bumper on, button everything up, and then hear what this sounds like. All right, now we got the car all put back together, and it's time to hear what a cold start sounds like.